Hi friends, this is Tina from Yuanda Bowler. Now I'm here at Yuanda Bowler factory. Today I would like to introduce our WS series for you. WS series is our main popular type. The structure is fire tube wide bag, drum pass with spiral corrugated smoke tubes. The capacity range is from half ton to 20 ton. The efficiency can be up to 90%. So I would like to introduce the WS series for you. This place is front smoke box, and this is double opening doors. It's easy for maintenance. And this place is for burner. The fuel can be oil, gas, and heavy oil. And this place is water level gauge. You can see the water level. The outer packing is stainless steel. The inner solution thickness has 12 centimeters. This place is the inlet water face. Let's see the back of the water boiler. This place is the smoke outlet place. And this is the explosion-proof door. It can reduce the damage of boiler. You can see our boiler is very beautiful. If you have any other boiler questions, please contact me. Our boiler can be greatly used in paper mill, food factories, railway factories, chemical plants, and others. And we promise that we can provide the whole life warranty.